Hi.
Good afternoon. Come on in and go ahead and kind of like semi-circle it around. So good afternoon, everybody. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Come on in, everybody. Come on in and go ahead and kind of like semi-circle it around. So welcome, everybody, and good afternoon. Happy Expo. Oh, excuse me. So just to kind of snowball off of what Kendall or Don, I don't know which one you guys had, what they were saying when it comes to computer effects over practical effects. I think a lot of people assume that we didn't use that many practical effects for the film, which isn't true at all. We used mainly practical effects and then added the computers a little bit later on just to enhance or to add like pops of color or to do things like that. But for the most part, we used actual props and effects to make everything happen. A really good example of that is the Goblet of Fire right here. This is the actual one that we used in the film, in the fourth film for the Triwizard Tournament. Kind of the history and what happened with that was first it was hand carved from some English elm by Pierre Buchanan, and then after they decided that they really didn't want to mess that one up and have it be practical and functional, they decided to kind of mold it out of some fiberglass, which is what you guys have before you right here. So if you guys remember that really popular scene where everybody's around the Goblet of Fire and soon names start spitting out. So first it's Victor Crumb, then Fleur Delacour, Cedric Diggory, and while everybody is celebrating and having a great time with the champions and getting everything ready, something really unexpected happens where it turns red and then so somebody wants to grab that. That is wherever. Oh, it's right behind your foot. So that is all yours. And if you unravel it, there is a name in there. Probably a name you're all anticipating a little bit. Harry Potter, exactly. So then kind of the fate of what's going to happen with this Goblet of Fire is, I don't know if you all know, but there is only one actual original Great Hall in the entire world, which is in London for that studio tour. And right after this expo is over, they're going to go ahead and take the only original Goblet of Fire and move it over to that Great Hall to kind of give it its rightful proper home. But if you guys turn around and look behind you, you'll see all of these proclamations on the wall, and I think we all know who started those. Umbridge, exactly. So if you guys remember that scene with Umbridge where she was chased at the Great Hall because she was kind of smoking from those fireworks, the same exact suit that she wore in the film is in the very next room. So if you guys want to follow Anne Marie on that way, she will explain all about that. But have a wonderful day, guys. Happy Expo. Thank you so much.
So this is the dress Gabby mentioned that was worn by the actress who played Dolores Umbridge. Now with that, the rigging was very similar to this, so that it was actually smoky on set. She got chased out of the Great Hall by some fireworks, so that you tend to catch some heat when you do that. Practical effect though, it was actually happening in front of the camera. And with that, practical effects were very big in these films. John Richardson, the special effects supervisor, a very big fan of having those things actually happen and working on camera. One of the things that was a practical effect that a lot of people don't think is the scene in the first film when Harry Potter's in the Dursley family home and there's letters everywhere. Those were actual envelopes, actually hand-signed and hand-addressed to Harry Potter, flying around the house in a rigging, out of a rigging just like this one, where they were flying out of the mail slot, flying out of the fireplace, and also from up above, so it was literally raining down envelopes. And now you guys get to feel what it's like to have lots of mail fly at you at one time. With this, you might want to take a step back, and also, I will count to 3 so that you don't miss it if you're recording or if you want to get a picture of it. And anything that comes out of this door, you get to keep. So is everyone ready?
Yes!
All right. 1, 2, 3.
I got you, Mom.
Thank you. Sure. So lots of riggings like this around the set so that that effect would happen, and then they would scoop them up, reset, and then do it again to get another take. Really, really cool. Now in the next room you guys are going into, it is a photo opportunity, so you can keep your pictures, keep your cameras out so that you can take a picture. Also, the carpet that you'll see and you'll be standing on is the original carpet from the Dursley family home. So we do ask that you keep your bags on you so that we don't mess it up.
Okay.
We don't want to do that. Also, if you got any drinks on you, they can't go into that room, and I can go ahead and dispose of them here. But you guys are all set to head into the next room.
Alright guys, so as we make our way into the next room, we are going to take one picture per group on one camera only. Like Emery said, this is the original carpet from the film. It is extremely old, so we do not want to tear it up, so make sure you keep all of your bags on you. Go ahead and line up along the wall right over here in a single file line, filling all available space.
good
Right
one.
that black mark right there, and you're gonna have 70 camera. Right.